Hello, and my name is Keon the Armor Bacon. And we at ShopRite, and right now it's 6:49 p.m. And me and my brother just got a haircut. Haircut. And
Great Clips.
at Great Clips, which is over there. Great Clips at ShopRite. Great Clips at Inside ShopRite. And this is my brother's hair. And this is my haircut. Alright.
Very handsome haircut of your brother.
And right now it's 6:50 p.m. and today is Thursday. Today is
Mobile order ready for Anna.
For Anna B?
Yes.
Did you want to add or change anything of that?
No, that's fine.
No, that's fine.
Okay. And you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You too.
Anna B, that's Rodney. Throw me Anna B.
And today is October 10, and yesterday was my brother's birthday,
Yeah.
brother Kenyatta, and my name is Keon the Armor Bacon. My brother has the same middle and last name. And over there's Walmart, independent Walmart, and Chick-fil-A opens Monday through Saturday at 6:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it closes every Sunday. All Chick-fil-A's closes every Sunday.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah. That's cool how they saved the spell.
Yeah, that's good.
That is.
I know you wanted yours shorter, Kian, but that's
Oh.
fine. My big brother? You
Because-
like yours, big brother?
Yes.
Yes. So that's the last time, you know.
Because by doing it like that, if it's someone
Okay.
that didn't do them, also they can do it because it has what's there,
Remember on video?
what's requested. Yeah. And seeing how effective the system is that they have. Oh, I thought it was raining. It's a good system that they have. Because if a person doesn't have their regular, they don't
yeah.
show up, they can just look at the computer and see what it is. Something they can do. friendly there.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. No, that's fine. Just we're good. Yeah. Just trash for us. Big brother. We got here the order here. This is a waffle fry. You wanna share it in your video?
Well,
Yeah. There's a waffle fries because we ate already. We don't wanna be fat. We wanna be healthy. There you go. There's two waffle fries with Big Brother and the Big Brother.
wow, the line is no longer packed.
Yeah, that was good.
When we came, it was packed.
Yeah.
Not anymore. Getting late now. Alright. And again, my name is Keon, or my bacon. If you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next video. And over there's Walmart, the peanut Walmart over there. There it is. Peanut Walmart. And it was brown, all brown before now. And now it looks like they just built Walmart. All gray and white.